Hello guys again, we are back with another unboxing, viewing and testing of this Parkside air cut-off tool, model PDTS 6.3 B3. Included we have some accessories, you can see. Rotation speed is max 20,300 RPM, it depends your air compressor. Max working pressure is 6.3 bar. Compressed air connection, we've got 1 to 4, 6.35 millimeters. Cutting disc diameter is up to 75 millimeters. For cutting sheets of metal up to 3 millimeter thick. Okay, so some pictures. Get some specs in here. Let's open it to see what we have inside. Of course, we've got the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice. Stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this. And of course, we have a key and an Allen key that it will help us to change our disc when that is needed. We have a cover that protects you for any cutting metal. And here is the lock pin. You need to push it and it will unlock and you can use it. The air hose connection. Changing the disc is very easy. Just put that in here and with the Allen key unscrew that and you can rotate it and change the disc. There's a cap here. Be aware to put it in the right place, otherwise you will damage the disc. Well, for connection it's very easy, just connect that and you're good to go. Push this button and you can see it's okay. Very easy. Well, if you need to cut a metal maximum 3 millimeters, definitely it will do the job and it will cut it with no problem. It costs only 12 euros. If you need something like that to your place, well, just buy it. Why not? And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like my video is your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell. More are coming. You don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.